By means of this video, we wanted to introduce you the concept of big windows. First of all, a shout out to Joost for actually bringing this up early on as an idea. We also had a few designers mention this as a potential approach, and we wanted to see what the expert panel thinks of this as a potential way going forward. What do we mean by windows? We basically have discussed a lot the workflow process and how we have multiple tabs for multiple parts of the things that we do during financial modeling. We wanted to flag this concept of windows as a potential slightly different way of organizing workspace, and that is through these windows. So what do windows mean? Windows mean, this is for example one window where you have a certain component, then you have a second window over here, and you can organize it the way you want it. So you can drag and change this exactly the way you want it. You can add other components to your windows. So you drag this over here, you drag this one over here. And so you can organize the view exactly in the way you'd like it. So what would be in those components? In those components would be one of four things. One is the time series component that is basically the core of our financial modeling, which is an income statement, cash flow statement, balance sheet, those kind of things. Then there is the formula builder that we discussed, where you have the formulas and basically the relationships between the variables. Then there is a third component, which is more classic spreadsheet style, which is not time series, but which is just more of a classic Excel style grid. And finally, a component which is charts and graphs. So how would this look like in practice? It would look something like this, where you have here you have a timesheet component, where you have, let's say, your income statement. Here you have your formula builder that we've discussed. And here you, for example, have a graph that you have created. And so effectively you can reorganize these windows the way you want it. And you get to this workspace of your project within one click from the project manager. So immediately, this moment you press project team, it brings you to your project workspace. So you only have one workspace where you organize all your various components of your model for this particular project. I'd love to hear your views on this, and it would be great if we can discuss this during the expert panel meeting.